If you are experiencing Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library errors on your Windows 11 system, there are a couple of effective solutions you can try. First, let us address the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable itself. Open your Windows search bar and type Microsoft C++ redistributable. Navigate to the official Microsoft website. Once there, scroll down the page until you find the download section. Locate and click on the x64 version to download it. After the download completes, open the downloaded file. You should then see an option to repair the installation. Click on the Repair button, and the system will attempt to fix any corrupted files or configurations related to the C++ redistributable. If repairing the redistributable does not resolve the error, we can move on to a system file check. Again, use your Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. When Command Prompt appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will open a Command Prompt window with elevated privileges. In this window, type the following command precisely: sfc/scan now. After typing the command, press Enter on your keyboard. Windows will then initiate a scan of all protected system files and replace incorrect versions with correct Microsoft versions. This process can take some time, so please be patient. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.